It's your Ilongga Get Just with me, girly! And for today is, saan pupunta? Kasi sasama namin yung aming tita na magpa-consulta. Consultation day. Ang outfit natin for today is something that is casual and parang comfortable. Ay! Comfortable. For my pants, I will be using this. This is called elastic. This is called elastic blush pink or almost off-white elastic waist and cuff jogger pants. I really don't know kung saan ko ito i-prepare kaya nagtanong ako kay ChatGPT. And sabi ko, bagay ba to sa tube top? And then sabi niya, yeah. So ito yung black tube top na gagamitin ko and isuot na natin. So nagtanong ako if okay ba yung black tube top kay ChatGPT and okay naman daw kasi para may contrast. And okay naman tong black tube top na ito pero may mga ganan-ganin lang. So okay din to for, magkano ba to nabili ko? 3 for 100. So, yes! Madali talagang ibagay yung black na top sa kahit na right? Left. So, for the most awaited part, the pants, grabe yung sunlight. Kasi hindi naman masyadong uso dito sa atin yung ganitong pants light. Ayan siya. Live selling. Ayan. Ang tinalik natin para may pa-effect na nabahaan effect. Sabi ni ChatGPT is either sneakers, boots, or Pero sabi ko is mainit dito sa Pilipinas. Pwede ba mag-slipper sandal? Sabi ni ChatGPT, okay, pwede daw. So kahit na ang prospect talaga is white. So ayan! Parang nabubuo na natin. Guess you know what's nice. Yo, it was the best. I met a pretty girly na taga IS chat. Any chat GPT, either silver or gold. So I'll go for gold. Kasi gold ang Espanya na sumakop sa atin noong 333 years. Ay, gold sila sa FIFA World Cup. So ayan. I met a pretty girly na taga. Sabi ni ChatGPT, mag-wear daw ako ng shoulder bag. So, exhibit 1. Okay. Exhibit 2. Exhibit 3. I met a pretty girlie, not a guy. It's didn't show my look as ever. Work to make it shut. This is the whole outfit. So before, hindi ko alam kung saan ko ito i-prepare ngayon. I made up the look. Thank you, ChatGPT. And for the shades, I'll be using this one. Another pretty.